try to sum up how electrons come and go. They are the states of a matter field that follows an equation that Dirac wrote. The Schrodinger part of the whole equation will just lead in sub C when it expands. Now get that Coulomb and add it in with the proton and watch them start to dance. It's hydrogen, it's like, oh proton, I feel your tug. Central potential, dip down, pulling on me. But I'm not falling in deep. Know that would break uncertainty. Say, oh, electrons move too much. Slow down your pace and put that orbit on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Orbitals take the shape they do, the stable states of the quantum rules. And when a one approaches two, they combine and they're bonding. Cause hydrogen as a rule is found in nature as H2. Energy configuring a molecule, diatomically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Diatomically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Diatomically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Diatomically bonding. Energy configuring a molecule. When orbitals take the shape they do. One half spin will give a left on a twin, one up, one down in the ground state. With S&P and quadruple degeneracy, the second shell can be filled up with 8. The higher angular power spread all the beautiful flowers and middle families that come into play. Well, here's a carbon with 6C. This ain't nothing tricksy, but we're gonna make some methane today. With hydrogen it's like, oh atoms, I feel your tug. Got my electrons plugged out, pulling on me. Come on now, settle around me. I'll hybridize to sp3. Say, oh, carbon, here's our touch. Spread out 109.47 degrees. Come on now, follow our lead. Come on now, follow our lead. Molecules take the shape they do, combining states of the quantum rules. Like when a shell goes sp2 for sigma pi double bonding. And as widely as their purview, they spread it in the molecule. Look at benzene in a ring, they hold it true, aromatically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Aromatically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Aromatically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Aromatically bonding. Look at benzene in a ring, they hold it true. When orbitals take the shape they do. Come bond with me, baby, come bond. 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 Polymers take the shape they do, combining base level residues like RNAs and CGU. They're hydrogen bonding. Peptides make a chain and group, and get up plate sheets and corkscrews. With the secondary links they fold and move. They're all over your body. Come on with me, baby, come on. Come on with me, they're all over your body. Come on with me, baby, come on. Come on with me, they're all over your body. Come on with me, baby, come on. Come on with me, they're all over your body. You're a chemical machine, it's best to do. The molecules take the shape of you.
Hey musical scientists, this video was sponsored by Nana, the collaborative music app that lets you make and share your own creations and build on the sounds of millions of other users. Download the app for free on iOS or Android, and head over to the Acapella Science account to see the cool things I've been making. Then join the Acapella Science community, where you can talk to me and post your creations for other musical scientists to see. Nana has tons of user-made instrumentals to work with, and I'll be sending a poster to whoever makes the best science song. So go wild! Click these links to download Nana and start creating. Acapella Science is primarily supported by its fans. If you'd like to keep these videos coming, please go to patreon.com/acapellascience and pledge your support. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. My name is Tim Blay, and you're watching Acapella Science.
Acapella Science.